Hi friends! In this video, we'll show you useful English phrases and questions you might need while you're in hotel. Let's get started. What kind of room would you like? What kind of room would you like? I would like one luxury room. I would like one luxury room. I am going to stay in this hotel for several days. I am going to stay in this hotel for several days. Do you have any reservations? Do you have any reservations? Excuse me, where are the elevators? Excuse me, where are the elevators? How much is a room price including breakfast? How much is a room price including breakfast? I would like to book a single room. I would like to book a single room. Our workers will lead you to your room. Our workers will lead you to your room. I would like to book a room overviewing the sea. I would like to book a room overviewing the sea. Does the hotel have a swimming pool? Does the hotel have a swimming pool? I need a room for one night. I need a room for one night. Please make up this room. Please make up this room. Jessica has made a reservation. Jessica has made a reservation. There's no hot water. There's no hot water. Does the hotel have any facilities for children? Does the hotel have any facilities for children? Our hotel residents are allowed to settle with their pets. Our hotel residents are allowed to settle with their pets. Something is wrong with the light in my room. Something is wrong with the light in my room. Take your keys, the room is already ready. Take your keys, the room is already ready. Tony would like to have his lunch in the room. Tony would like to have his lunch in the room. Does the room have the internet access? Does the room have the internet access? I need some more towels. I need some more towels. We need a tour guide. We need a tour guide. It is one of the best hotels in the Paris. It is one of the best hotels in the Paris. Does the hotel have a special bus for tourists? Does the hotel have a special bus for tourists? Excuse me, how can I call to Moscow? Excuse me, how can I call to Moscow? Please call a taxi for me. Please call a taxi for me. When is breakfast served in the hotel? When is breakfast served in the hotel? Joni is leaving this hotel. Joni is leaving this hotel.